did you find the challenge? Easy, isn't it? To solve this challenge, we are going to use a combination of strings, arrays, and objects. Let's open up this file that we could find on the exercise files using our Sublime Text. As you can see, we have here a recipe document. We have the title as a string, we have the comments as an array of objects. You might notice something different about the date. As you can see, we have a special date field. There is the description for our recipe, which is a string. We have then the directions that are also an array, but this is an array of just strings that are comma separated. We have ingredients, which is an array of objects. We have rating of the recipe, which goes from 1 to 5 for each user. We have tags to describe the recipe and also the dessert type. So now we are going to use MongoDB Compass to insert the documents in our collection. So we will copy this document first, and then we will pass it to MongoDB Compass right here and click Insert. There you go. You have your new recipe here, and it has all our special data type, and we're all good.